Fix Terabox App Crashing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Then search for Apps and Notifications and click on Apps and Notifications. Then click on App Info at the top. In App Info, simply scroll down and search for Terabox. You can also search at the top right. If not, click on Terabox here. Click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. You can clear storage if you want to log in again. After you do that, open Play Store and search Terabox. If there is any update available, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. If it still does not work, you can simply click on the uninstall button and reinstall the app again. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Terabox App Crashing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.